have a book review for you today on The Art of Nature by Adams Media. This is the front of the book. It is glue bound, and this is the back of the book. The book dimensions on this one are 8.5 by 10. There's a beautiful introduction about all of the pictures. They were all inspired by vintage prints. It's broken down into two sections. The first section is flowers and plants. There are 30 illustrations in that section. And then the next section is sea life and animals. There's also 30 prints in that section. So you have a total of 60 prints in all. All these prints are on beautiful vellum paper. The pages are all perforated. When you remove the page, they are the perfect size for putting into an 8 by 10 frame. Originally, these prints were colored and put in homes in the 18th and 19th century. They used watercolors. They say that you can accomplish the same look with your colored pencils. Now, if you are a marker lover and you want to use markers and not remove the paper from the book, I suggest that you slip in an extra sheet. Now, this is a sea life, birds and insects here. This is the second section where there are 30 prints. Originally, these prints were developed for scientific research, so they are very true to life. For those that like to practice on the grayscale pictures and work on those, I think this would be a very good book. The vellum paper, it does have an ivory tint to it. So don't expect it to be bright white pages. I would recommend this book for intermediate to advanced, but I see no reason why a beginner wouldn't want to give it a try. If you want the more realistic look, you will have to do a little bit of shading. And there you have it, The Art of Nature by Adams Media.